Hello guys, and welcome to the day 2 of VA Electrical Solar Challenge. Well, what is voltage and what is current? Well, voltage can be said as the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. Alright, this is like the force that drives electrons around the circuit, while current can be defined as the rate of electron flow round a circuit. Alright, so voltage, the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit, and current is referred to as the electron flow, rate of electron flow round a circuit. So what are the advantages of voltage and current? Well, they help us to analyze and design electrical circuits, electronic devices, and they also form the bedrock, the basic building block on which we use to design many of these equipment, many of these electronic equipment that we use in our homes. Alright, so I can't wait to see you on day 3 of this challenge. Save the pictures of this challenge, post it on your WhatsApp, post it on your Facebook, post it on Instagram, post it everywhere. Tell everybody that we want to become professional engineers. Come on, let's do this.